Hello, in front of me I've got Redmi Note 12. In this video I'll show you how to manage Google Wallet. In the beginning, let's go to Wallet. And from the homepage of this app, you can add payment cards, manage your passes, and check quick tips. Also you can add new passes like transport pass, loyalty and gift card. If you go to menu, you've got access to your Google account, wallet tips, contactless setup where you can set Google Pay as your default app. You can set up payment card, check if NFC is on, if you've got a lock screen set, and if your phone meets security requirements. Then you can check full list of participating banks and manage your password in Password Manager. In your data in Wallet, you can manage payments data and passes data. In Wallet settings, you can manage payments profile, add passes from Gmail, enable or disable review purchases, updates about your passes and updates from Wallet and Google Pay. In the end, you can go to help and feedback. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.